Well, welcome back. It's lesson number 2 of how to sight sing. We're still going to stick with rhythms in this lesson. We're just going to work on some different rhythms. So those rhythms are 6/8 time, 9/8, and 12/8 time. These are what are called time signatures, which tell us how many beats are in each measure, as well as what note gets the beat. Now, in 6/8, 9/8, and 12/8, things are a little bit different than they were in 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time. There's also, just a disclaimer, there are different ways of understanding, especially these time signatures. So know that the way I'm choosing to show you is just one way of many. Let's get to it. In 6/8, one beat is a dotted quarter note. So you're going to say ta. There are 2 beats in each measure of 6/8 time. So if we have 2 dotted quarter notes, those would be 2 tas, 2 beats, put a bar line to show it's the end of the measure. Also in 6/8, 9/8, and 12/8 time, you'll see 3 eighth notes beamed together. This is spoken as a takida. You'll see those most of the time. You will also see my favorite of the Takadimi language. You'll see 6 16th notes, all beamed together with 2 beams there at the top. And this is spoken as a ta, the, ki, di, da, ma. Okay? So it's a mouthful because you've got to say all of that in one beat of time. All right, and then finally, in 6/8 time, you'll see dotted half notes, which are, in this time, 2 beats. If you remember, before, in 3/4 time, they're 3 beats. This one, they're only 2 beats. So, if I speak this rhythm in 6/8 time, it would sound like this. 1, 2, ready, and go. Ta, ta, takida, takida, tabakidi dama, ta. That is 6/8 time. Again, there are 2 beats per measure in 6/8 time with the dotted quarter note getting the beat. Now, 9/8 time and 12/8 time signatures are exactly the same as 6/8. The only difference is that 9/8 time has 3 beats per measure, and 12/8 time has 4 beats per measure. So in 9/8 time, you will need to have 3 dotted quarter notes to make a full measure, or 3 sets of eighth notes, or 3 sets of tabakidi damas, 16th notes, to make that time. 12/8 time with 4 beats, you'll need 4 dotted quarter notes. Another thing you'll see in 12/8 time are dotted whole notes, which are worth 4 beats. Okay? Now, having said all of this, you can mix these different rhythms all around and make them however you want in music. So, for example, I could have a 9/8 time, 3 eighth notes, a dotted quarter note, and 6 16th notes. And that still all adds up to 3 beats per measure. Ta, 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 takida, ta, tabakidi dama. Okay? 12/8 time, same thing, any mixture of those as long as it equals to 4 beats in a measure. Hope that makes sense. That's all about your rhythms. Next up is the melody.